Good evening, guys. This is my another video for this Zoom app. So click on Zoom. Here I want to show you why this window. It is look. You can see from here. Here I make some schedule. If I want to join with my friends, so I have to click on Start only. And I already have sent the link. By clicking on that link, they can join me. Now see. This is new meeting. You have learned about this in morning only. This is schedule. What is the difference between two? For new meeting, we have to create meeting just before 10 or 15 minutes. You want to join them with your team. You want to connect with your team, and by that link, they can join you. But difference in this schedule is this: कि you can send the link anytime, like one day before, like 3 or 4 hours before, and by that link you have to give the definite time. At that time we will join. That time they can join you by that link. Now here you have to give the title of this, like I am giving class 7th, date like 2nd April, set timing like 11, eleven 40. Okay. Now here this meeting password, if you want you can share this password with your uh, participant, otherwise I make it disable. Now click on done. This add invitation, why escape that. This is start meeting. You people are aware already about that. Click on start meeting. Now it's preparing meeting for you. Now connecting. Here again one URL will come. You have to copy that and paste it in your WhatsApp group. One more thing here, like tomorrow I am having class in class 4. So today I am sending the link, or maybe in tomorrow morning, early morning I will send the link to them. Then before, like my class is there at 11 o'clock, so before 2 or 3 minutes I have to start that meeting by clicking on start button. And first I have to connect, then the people that then after that the students will connect with us by clicking on that link. And that is too slow. Now see, this link is there, 329803113. Tap here your finger, the invitation URL link has been copied. Now go to the WhatsApp, in which group you want to send this link, paste there. Now just now I don't want to take any meeting, so I will click on end meeting. If you are doing by this new meeting, if you have done on end, this meeting is over. You have to hold that. But here you have done and, but then also you can connect with your students. Like here, this is like here tomorrow. This is tomorrow meeting that we are having. This is 1st of April. I am having with class 6. I make as a trial only, and this just now I am making. Like I want to start any meeting. See, I click on this going on meeting. That is tomorrow. Click on start connecting. That means it's too easy. We can make anytime this link. We can send to the student, and whenever we want, like sign time, we can connecting with them. It is connecting. That window will come, or at the given time, same time, they also will join you. I think it's over. Thank you for watching. If any query, you can ask to me.